Heat and temperature. What is the difference between heat and temperature? We know that a substance is made of atoms. The atoms in a substance are always in motion. The total kinetic energy of the atoms in a substance is a measure of the heat contained in that substance. While the temperature of a substance is related to the average kinetic energy of atoms. If the average kinetic energy of atoms in two objects is equal, then their temperatures will also be equal. Figure A and B show the velocities of atoms in a gas at high and low temperature respectively. The direction and the length of the arrows attached to the atoms shows the direction and magnitude of the velocity of the atoms. The velocity of atoms in the gas at higher temperature is larger than the velocity of atoms in the gas at lower temperature. The velocities of atoms in a solid object are shown by arrows. The atoms in a solid object are tied to one another because of the forces acting between them. So they cannot be displaced from their places. Because of heat, they oscillate around their fixed position. Higher the temperature of the solid, faster is their velocity of oscillation. Suppose A and B are two objects made from the same substance. The mass of A is twice the mass of B, which means that the number of atoms in A is twice the number of atoms in B. Even if the temperatures of A and B are equal, that is, the average kinetic energy of atoms in A is same as that in B. The total kinetic energy of atoms in A is twice that in B. Thus, the heat contained of A is twice that of B, even though they both have the same temperature. Try this. Take two vessels A and B of the same size. Fill some water in A and double that amount in B. Make sure that the water in both vessels are at the same temperature. Raise the temperatures of water in both vessels by 10 degrees Celsius using a spirit lamp. Did it take the same time to increase the temperature in the two vessels? No, the time taken to increase the temperature of water in vessel B is more than that of vessel A. You must have required more time to raise the temperature of water in B. This means that for the same increase in temperature, you have to give more amount of heat to B. Thus, even though the water in A and B have the same temperature, the amount of heat in B is more than that in A. Temperature is measured in units of Celsius, degree Celsius, Fahrenheit, degree F, and Kelvin. Kelvin is used in scientific experiments while the other two are used in daily life. The relation between the three units is shown by the following formula. F minus 32 upon 9 equal to C upon 5. K equal to C plus 273.15. Boiling point of water. Given that boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, the relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius scales is given as F minus 32 upon 9 equal to C upon 5. RHS equal to 100 upon 5, that is equal to 20. Consider LHS equal to F minus 32 upon 9 equal to 212 minus 32 upon 9 equal to 180 upon 9. Hence, LHS equal to RHS. F is equal to 200 degree Fahrenheit in Kelvin. K is equal to C plus 273.15 equal to 100 plus 273.15 equal to 373.15 Kelvin, freezing point of water. Given that freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Using relation F minus 32 upon 9 equal to C upon 5. RHS equal to C upon 5 equal to 0. Consider LHS equal to 32 minus 32 upon 9, that is equal to 0. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, in Kelvin, K equal to 0 plus 273.15 equal to 273.15 Kelvin. But given value is 273 Kelvin. To satisfy the relation K should be 273.15 K. Considering room temperature to be 23 degrees Celsius, using relation F minus 32 upon 9 equal to C upon 5. RHS equal to C upon 5 equal to 23 upon 5 equal to 4.6. LHS equal to 72 minus 32 upon 9 equal to 4.44. LHS is not equal to RHS. For LHS equal to RHS, F minus 32 upon 9 equal to 23 upon 5. Therefore, F minus 32 equal to 41.4. F is equal to 73.4 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin, K is equal to C plus 273.15 equal to 23 plus 273.15 equal to 296.15 Kelvin. But given that K is equal to 296, to satisfy the relation K should be 296.15 Kelvin. Boiling point of mercury. Given that boiling point of mercury 356.7 degree Celsius, using relation F minus 32 upon 9 equal to 356.7 upon 5. Therefore, F minus 32 equal to 1.8 into 356.7. Therefore, F minus 32 equal to 642.06. F equal to 674.06 degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin, K is equal to 356.7 plus 273.15 equal to 629.85 Kelvin. Hence, the correct conversions according the relations between different scales temperature is given in the table. Boiling point of water 212 Fahrenheit, 100 degree Celsius, 373.15 Kelvin. Freezing point of water 32 Fahrenheit, 0 degree Celsius, 273 degree Kelvin. Room temperature 72 Fahrenheit, 23 degree Celsius, 269 Kelvin. Boiling point of mercury 674.06 Fahrenheit, 356.7 degree Celsius, 629.9 Kelvin. Freezing point of mercury minus 39.84 Fahrenheit, minus 38.8 degree Celsius and 234.3